Welcome to Kalyan Diocesan News. The Pitrivedi of the Eparchy of Kalyan organized a badminton competition on 1st May at Father Agnel Indoor Court in Vashi. The competitions were inaugurated by the Vicar General of the Eparchy of Kalyan, Father Syria Kumbat, where he emphasized that these tournaments are more than a competition but also a meeting of a loving community of our church. The competitions were conducted in 3 categories, namely below 40 category, above 40 category and above 55 category. 60 teams from 41 parishes across the diocese participated in these competitions. The competition was conducted under the leadership of Pitrivedi Director Father Bobby. The oath-taking ceremony of the Dexcos for the year 2024-25 was held on 2nd June at the Bishop's House in Powai. The events for the day began with adoration, followed by a public meeting that included a message by His Excellency Mar Thomas Elevenal, the Bishop of Kalyan Eparchy, oath-taking by the Dexcos, addressed by the Curia, introduction of the Dexcos, a session by Father Soji, and ended with a dinner. The event was conducted by the Dexcos under the leadership of Father Soji and Father Jitin, the Director and Assistant Director of Kalyan Eparchy Youth. Eva Pro-Life, in association with the Catechism Department of the Kalyan Eparchy, conducted the Life Teens Retreat for students of Standard 7 to 12. The retreat was conducted from June 7 to June 9 at the Animation and Renewal Center at Panvel. The retreat included interactive sessions on life, biblical reflection on life, praise and worship, etc. The retreat was conducted under the leadership of Father Paul, the Director of Eva Pro-Life, and Father Rajesh, the Director of Catechism Department. Jesus Youth conducted a retreat titled Fire from 13 June to 16 June at Tabor Bhavan at Kalyan West. The retreat was conducted with the aim of helping the participants to bear witness to the love of Jesus Christ. Vidyarambam, the inauguration of the Catechetical Academic Year for the year 2024-25, was held on 16 June across the parishes of the Eparchy of Kalyan. The events for the day included Samarpanam before the Holy Kurbana, followed by the celebration of the Holy Kurbana for the teachers and students, pledged by the teachers and students, and the presentation of the academic calendar and syllabus for the year 2024-25. Deacon Jaran Memorial Solo Singing Competition was conducted by Mary Mata Church in Sakinaka in order to commemorate the 5th death anniversary of Deacon Jaran Chittilappilly. The competition was conducted in 3 categories, namely Category A including participants from age 13 years and below, Category B consisting of participants from age 14 years to 35 years, and Category C consisting of participants from ages 36 years and above. The results of the online competition was announced on 20th June, the death anniversary of Deacon Jaran. The annual General Body meeting of Pitrivedi of Diocese of Kalyan was conducted at St. Alphonsa Foreign Church, Vasai West on 16 June. The meeting also included a session on the proposed Uniform Civil Code by Advocate K.T. Thomas, who was the chief guest for the meeting. The meeting was coordinated under the leadership of Father Bobby, Director of Pitrivedi. Kalyan Eparchy Youth conducted Koinonia 2024 for the students who had completed their Standard 12. The camp was conducted from June 21st to June 23rd at the Animation and Renewal Center at Panvel. The camp included various sessions, games, activities for the students to interact and build a fellowship in Christ. The camp was conducted by the Dexcos under the leadership of Father Soji and Father Albert, Director and Assistant Director of Kalyan Eparchy Youth. The 36th Eparchial Day and Patrons Day of Kalyan Eparchy was jointly celebrated on June 29 at the Animation and Renewal Center in Panvel. On this occasion, priests and religious members celebrating Their silver and golden jubilees were felicitated. Additionally, individuals who had demonstrated their talents at the state and national levels were also recognized. The Diocesan Day celebration was graced by the feast of the diocese shepherd, Bishop Mar Thomas Elevenal. Around 400 people, including priests, religious members, and laity, participated in the event. The initiation of 8 brothers into the minor seminary for the Eparchy of Kalyan was held on 2nd July. The ceremony was held at the minor seminary at Panvel and was led by His Excellency Mar Thomas Elevenal, the Bishop of Kalyan Eparchy. The events for the day included celebration of the Holy Kurbana by His Excellency Mar Thomas Elevenal and the initiation ceremony of the brothers. Kalyan Madhur Sangam celebrated their Patron's Day on 7 July at Immaculate Conception Church in Dombivli. The events of the day began with the celebration of the Holy Kurbana by His Excellency Mar Thomas Elevenal, the Bishop of Kalyan Eparchy, followed by a public meeting which included several cultural programs performed by mothers from all over the eparchy. The event was conducted under the leadership of Father Shaji and Father Royce, Director and Assistant Director of Madhur Sangam. The Department of Catechesis of the Eparchy of Kalyan conducted Dream Big for all the meritorious students of standard 10th and 12th. The event was held on 21st July at St. Joseph's Church in Powai. Keynote speaker for the day was Dr. Shobha Matthew. The event also included experience sharing by eminent achievers like Father Jins, C.A. Solomon and Dr. Allen, followed by the felicitation of achieving students. The event was conducted under the leadership of Father Rajesh and Father Jojo, the Director and Assistant Director of Catechism. That's all for Kalyan Diocesan News.